Alright guys, here's the deal. So Diego had this idea. So he was like, what if we take Mentos and put them in the microwave?
Mentos.
So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So
I think first, guys, we're just going to do one first. One single Mento.
And then we'll move up to greater multiples.
Okay, guys. So we kind of didn't pay attention enough. And these are all the plate is boiling.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Well, if you're eating a Mento, that's what you're eating. And look.
Oh, it exploded.
Holy crap.
Oh, the plate is so hot. We should have paid attention to it.
Look at that.
Oh god.
Holy crap. Alright guys, so this time we're going to do the rest of this package. And this time we're going to pay a bit more attention. So, I wonder how many are in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, alright.
Minus the one that we burnt up. Putting them in.
Alright, so we just put them in. We're waiting for one to take them out. So,
I can still smell that.
Yeah, we're going to pay a bit more attention this time.
Oh, they're bubbling up.
Already? Oh my god. Look at, what are the odds? Let's already take them out. Whoa.
They're becoming
Let's see
liquid.
them. That. They're so squishy.
They're gooey.
Ew.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, that hurt.
Look at it.
The sugar inside them is crystallizing.
Here, explode that pink one. Explode that pink one.
Here, I need. Wait, I'll get.
Here, wait. I'll just use these scissors. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god. Whoa, it's instant crystallized. So guys, we're gonna do the taste test, but this thing is so hot. And it's one of these. Ow. Okay. That hot. That is good. That's like a Starburst Mento.
So now that that's done, I just came up with this idea. So what we're gonna do
They're so good.
is from the fridge, I'm gonna pick something out that Diego has to eat raw, like with nothing else. But it has to be like not something that would make you sick, but like something that would still be pretty disgusting. So I'll pick something for him first, and then he'll pick something. We just went in the bathroom. Now I'm gonna pick what I want him to eat. I'm thinking butter. So let me get this. Guys, so I finally have it prepared. In there. And let's call Diego over. So Diego, come on over. Diego, how you feeling about this?
Not that good.
Just send it. Send it, dude.
Oh, geez.
Oh, God. Okay, pick it up. Quick. Just a little chunk of butter. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, how is that, Diego?
Butter is not good.
These are the remains.
Okay, guys, so it's my turn. Aiden's over there. Thinking a bit of that, maybe. Oh, wait. No, I know. I'm ready. Aiden.
What is it? Oh, what is that?
I decided to be a little bit nicer.
Is that maple syrup?
Yep.
Sick. Alright, let me stir up my mom.
Oh, geez, this is so gonna overflow.
I will gladly do this one. Here, yeah, pour it out.
I decided to
Do I have
be
to do
nice.
the entire thing?
Yeah.
Do I have to do it in one gulp?
Yep.
One gulp? No.
Fine. 2.
It's not even bad, just I feel like the texture is gonna be
I
weird.
know. I decided to be good to you. Even though you gave me butter last time.
Oh, yo.
Okay, now you have to do the whole thing. hate maple syrup by itself.
Mmm. My turn again. My turn again. What will I pick? I just saw this thing. It's got a weird texture. Am I gonna be this mean? Oh, I think I am. Oh, God. Oh, yes, that's the one. Oh, all right, let's prepare it. All right, let's prepare this now. Oh, you just heard that, didn't you?
Yeah, but I don't know what it is.
Can I open this thing? I do not want to use my teeth to open this, because I absolutely hate this.
Oh no.
If I hate it, it's done. Diego, you want to come over?
Okay, start it out.
It is started up. I'm going to put this behind my back.
Ew. What is that?
Honey Dijon mustard.
Aiden.
Here you go. He saw the package right there. And he was like,
Aiden. Oh my god. Aiden.
you want to say a different word than Aiden?
Oh my god. That is so sour.
Sour?
Well, no, like, disgusting, but like...
Are you going to do it?
No. I
No,
can't do
you
it.
can't do it? Oh my god.
That is actually terrible, Aiden.
Okay, I will.
You would have wished that you didn't do that. Okay, guys, it's my turn again. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have an idea. See those? Aiden, your meal is ready.
Here I come.
Oh god. It's a beet.
I've never had a beet.
Okay. A lot of people say they're good at Thanksgiving, but
My dad says it tastes like candy.
I know my mom says it tastes good. Like, ew. I should put the whole thing around. Yeah, keep that.
Let me throw my gum out.
Yeah. Oh, why is it all blurry?
I'll do it. I've never had a beet before.
The moment of truth.
What, like, okay, well.
You don't want to
I'm
get
gonna put
into
my
the
tongue on
butter.
it first.
Okay, then.
Ew.
Smell it. I don't know how parents like this.
Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the beet in at the same time as some ginger ale. So I'm not gonna be able to taste it as much because I've never had a beet, and I don't think I ever will actually want to taste a beet because I've smelt them and they do not smell good. So here we go. 3, 2,
What are you doing?
1. Still gonna send it, dude.
Oh god. Oh god. And he's off. Ew, it's in the cup. What the hell?
So I just did that. It was not pleasant. I did not like that. I almost threw up. And like, Diego, well played. Well played, mister.
Please don't do anything bad.
I can't promise that. Next round, Diego, I'm asking you please to escort from the area.
Okay.
Yep, go.
With my phone that you took 100 pictures of.
Yep. All right, what will I pick next? This one? Ooh. That? No. I know Diego likes that. I know he likes that. Ooh. Mate. Oh, yes. All right, this is the one. You can't chicken this one. Yeah. But you've already chickened one, so. And I haven't chickened one.
Yeah, you chickened the beef. You didn't actually eat it.
I didn't chicken that one. I actually attempted it.
Yes.
All right, Diego, come over. Come on over, Diego. Come on over. Come on. Come on. Come on, Diego. Come on. Look around. Look around if there's any clue of what it might be.
No.
No? Ready? 3,
Yeah. I think I know.
2,
Yeah, I know.
1.
Okay. What? What? I thought you were looking at that. And I thought you were...
All right, you want to go? Just here. Let me zoom in on one here.
I hate tomatoes.
Just do it. Just go.
That's the worst thing I've ever
Guys,
tasted.
I'm just gonna outro the vlog here, but however, I'm outroing it because we're doing a gaming video on Diego's gaming channel, and it is called Clever Goose Gaming if you want to go check that out. So, hope to see you there.